getting ready to leave Wednesday the 13th, and we're in trouble with the tire pressure. So Dawn is working on it right now. You can hear the compressor in the background. Thank goodness that we have it. All these are the things that you run into, but we're prepared. So no harm, not any rush. Always good.
Day 3, and we're leaving Hamburg, New York, heading towards what is it? Wauseon, Ohio. We're going to be staying at American Winery. It's a little overcast, cloudy, but there's no rain, so everything looks pretty good. Just hit the road from Amstel Ice Cream.
Day 3, and we're just about to enter Pennsylvania, not far from Erie.
Fred woke up and he's enjoying the ride with us. He actually has moved to the front seat. Jane doesn't want him sitting here, but Fred doesn't care. And whatever a Sasquatch wants, the Sasquatch gets.
For now.
Careful, Fred's going to get pissed.
Coming up on the next state border. Ohio. We weren't in Pennsylvania very long, so the driver and his assistant, well, he's not looking too good right now. We'll see.
He's sleeping.
So
Yes. We just got to American Winery in Wauseon, Ohio, and Jane's grabbed a little bit of something to munch on, and I'm just sitting here relaxing. We drove 6 hours and what? 15? No, 6.5 hours. 6.5 hours today, and yep, just got in, set up. We've got the slide out. We're still connected to the truck. That's where we're going to be tonight, but we literally are at a winery. Grapes are growing right out behind the camper. We parked about 12 feet, not 10, from where the vineyards are. And we're going to be set up here for the night. Everyone says it's really quiet at night to sleep here, and I'm looking forward to it because I'm tired. I'm bushed. How about you, hon?
yes. I'm not bad. I'm not doing the driving. So.
Yeah, you've been doing the navigating though.
What?
The navigating. Oops.
Yeah, oops.
Oops. Welcome to Wauseon, Ohio, where the rolling vineyards meet the art of craft brewing at this enchanted winery. A hidden gem nestled in the heart of the Midwest, this place wasn't just a destination, it was an experience. This is a Harvest House location where we were able to park overnight right next to the vineyards. We purchased a sampling of the rich assortment of wines and beers crafted right there. The flavors were as authentic as the stories behind them. The owners graciously opened their doors, sharing the intimate history of the winery's humble beginnings and the intricate processes that bring their beverages to life. We were made to feel like family during our visit, and even Fred made an appearance. After enjoying our beverages and a little something to eat, we returned to the camper to enjoy a beautiful sunset. Morning greeted us to a breathtaking sunrise, a perfect start to an unforgettable day. Through the screen, this is the sunrise. A little fog in the ground. We're getting ready to hit the road. Fred, he's a little under the weather this morning. It's day 4, September 14th, and we just left Wauseon, Ohio, It's 8 o'clock now. We just got back on I-80. We're heading west. And we're heading, where's the...
West Liberty, Iowa.
West Liberty, Iowa. What's
Little Bear Campground.
Little Bear Campground.
Long drive.
I've got my coffee. And I'm all set for the road. As we continued into Indiana, the landscape transitioned, with more farmlands and rural areas dominating the scenery. Indiana, where all the campers were made. Actually, probably where this one was made. We saw Grand Design, Lippert, and we actually saw the RV History Museum where we'll be staying the night on the way back. It's a Harvest Host location. So we're in Indiana right now, just passing through. Jane's been checking her
Navigation skills.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
Crossing into Illinois, we experienced a mix of farmlands, small towns, and industrial areas as we approached Chicago. We bypassed Chicago and headed further west onto I-80 into Iowa, where the landscape became more varied, with rolling hills and expansive farmlands giving way to more wooded areas. Soon we arrived in West Liberty, Iowa, and Little Bear Campground just off I-80.
Directing us to our site.
Perfect. It's Friday morning, September 15th, and we're at Little Bear Campground, West Liberty, Iowa. Just catching the sunrise at 7 a.m. We left Little Bear Campground in West Liberty, Iowa, and we're heading west on I-80 towards Anchor Meadow Farm. It's a pig farm in Milford, Nebraska. Jane says she'd be scared to death during a thunderstorm with lightning all around here. I said that there are no lightning storms out here.
Just tornadoes and twisters in this road is.
It's just bouncing. Not rough, it's just bouncy.
So some slightly different scenery. Now we've added a few windmills to the landscape.
State line entering Nebraska.
We made it through Iowa.
Always shines through, even through the clouds.
Okay.
So hopefully you'll get a nice sunset. Let me turn this off and you can say hi to your crazy teenagers. They're 4 to 6 months. Like, I kind of have them all mocked.
Oh, that's a teenager.
Yeah. Because they take a full year to grow out.
All right.
And I take them in around 240 pounds.
And get butchered and then you sell. They package them.
Yep, they package it up for
Oh,
me.
good for you.
Yeah, these are the teenagers. Hi, Melvies.
Hi, guys.
Girls.
Girls.
Well,
Girls.
if they're guys, they're big.
Hi. Hi. I got nothing.
Ginger is one of my favorite colors with the
Well,
black.
we've got a spot. You can,
Yeah, well, not that favorite.
We leave their tusks intact. We leave their tusks in their mouth because that's how nature intended. So TJ's only 1, and Meatloaf is 3. So they gain most of their growth up until age 1, but they will grow all the way till age 3. So that's why Meatloaf. Dad was Ricky Ricardo, so I went with the Ricky name.
Hi.
We like dumb comedy.
Because I can eat your camera.
So, and he had a great growth rate. And then this is Rebel. I did get Rebel this year from North Carolina.
Here comes trouble.
What? Anything walking. But you're all loved. You're gonna have babies next year. Yay! So her mom.
We're enjoying the good life here at Anchor Meadow Farm, which is a Harvest Host location in Milford, Nebraska.
They have coney pigs, which means round.
What'd you call me?
Special breed.
What'd you call me?
Round. And the cows.
And the cows. They're weaning,
Hence the noise.
hence the noise. So, what you hear is the typical, what Emily says is the calves are being weaned. And I just looked up from Penn State University what it says. The typical weaning method is to sort all the calves from the cows, shut the calves up in a barn, move the cows as far away as possible, and then put up with the bawling for a few days. I don't know who's going to be bawling more, me or those calves.